Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Apple ID is signed into System Settings, then enable iCloud Drive so the Mac can sync. Once signed in, check available iCloud storage. Buy a 200 GB or 2 TB plan if you expect large backups. Make sure Mac OS is up to date and your Mac is plugged in and on a stable Wi-Fi network. This prevents interruptions. Now, open System, Settings, and navigate to your Apple ID section to begin selecting which data to back up. Now you choose exactly what syncs. In Apple ID iCloud, toggle Desktop and Documents to store core files in iCloud Drive. This uploads current contents and keeps them synced. Enable iCloud Photos, Contacts, and Calendars so your photos and metadata stay consistent across devices. If space is tight, turn on Optimize Mac Storage so full resolution files remain in iCloud and local copies are smaller. Finally, verify that your Finder shows iCloud Drive items. To finish, confirm the upload has completed by watching Finder and System Settings. Large data sets can take hours, so be patient. Once synced, use Manage Storage to review backups, delete redundant data, or upgrade your plan if you're near capacity. If sync stalls, first try signing out and back into your Apple ID, then reboot the Mac. That forces a fresh connection. If problems persist, check Wi-Fi, disable VPNs, and contact Apple support. Include precise error messages so they can diagnose faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.